Another important insurance topic to tackle is the concept that the association's policy is primary. This is a state statute under MCIO, the Minnesota Common Interest Ownership Act, and it affects all associations. So what does that mean, that the association's policy is primary? Well, what that means is in the event of a claim, if the damage exceeds the association's deductible, the association must file a claim. They have to by state statute. And that becomes a little bit of a sticking point because sometimes boards don't understand why they don't get to assign negligence. I'll give you an example. Maybe Sally falls asleep in the bathtub and it overflows and it causes $50,000 worth of damage to the units below in her condo building. Well, the board says, why should the association have to file a claim against our policy of the association when it was Sally's fault? Well, again, it's because state statute says the association's policy is primary. Another common example that sometimes boards want to fight is snowbirds. Sometimes maybe a snowbird will leave town and Bill turns his furnace off. And maybe they've got sprinkler systems and all of a sudden sprinkler pipes burst and cause damage to all of the units that surround him. Well, again, most likely you're going to exceed the association's deductible, so you have to file a claim. And you can't really get away with it because it's important for you to know and understand the sequence of events. When there is a claim, they're going to call the management office, the homeowner, and we're going to tell them you need to file a claim on your HO6 policy, your personal policy. Well, the very next thing that happens is the homeowner's HO6 policy then calls our office and says, let me see the master policy of the association. They know. They're going to see that the deductible is $10,000 or $20,000 or whatever it might be. And if the loss exceeds that, they're going to say, you have to file a claim. We'll make up the rest, we'll pay the deductible, whatever it might be, but the association must file a claim. The association is primary. So that's an important concept to understand by state statute. Hopefully that helps you understand your insurance requirements. No one likes it, but that's the truth of the matter of the association being primary. Lots more training videos on insurance and all sorts of other topics at sharpermanagement.com. Check them out.